how many types of ammo are there in Bonelab? Right at the center. Right at the center of the target. It does a max of 50. That's green shells, slugs. Put it in the shotgun. Cock the gun. We fire. 10, right? So you're like, alright, we got the red shells and the green shells. Yeah, I already knew that. Well, if you grab this gun right here, and you grab one of its red shells, and put it into this thing, now, when you fire, instead of doing a max of 50, it does a max of 100. Strange, right? So now I wonder, the AirPod. No, I'm joking. No, it's the M4. Where is it? It's the FAB shotgun fires these special red shells, which do load into here. So now, how much damage do these do? I think it's also a max of 50. I'll do one more with this, just in case it's more. Nope, seems like a max of 50. Try it close range. Yeah, maximum of 50. It seems that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of ammo in the game.